Creating a table plan. Hi, in this tutorial we're going to show you how you can add tables and customize your table plan. Click the Edit button. Here you can select the name of the section, like the main room for example. You press the plus button. Now we add the name of the table and the amount of seats the table holds. You can see that the new table appears here. And you're done. It's that simple. Here you can set the duration of how long a guest can reserve a table for. You do this in minutes. So, for example, 120 minutes will mean 2 hours. Thank you.